Suppose we have to show that x into 3 to the power x minus 1 over 3 to the power x plus 1 is even. How do we show that? Let's take it as a function. That means let fx, that is function of x, equals x into 3 to the power x minus 1 over 3 to the power x plus 1. Therefore, we can say f of minus x is what? F of minus x is, we replace x by minus x here, that means minus x here, into 3 to the power minus x minus 1, 3 to the power minus x plus 1. This is minus here, x into 3 to the power minus x is 1 by 3 to the power x minus 1, and divided by, this is also 1 by 3 to the power x plus 1. So this is, if I take 3 to the power x as LCM here, I get 1 minus 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x. And also in the denominator you will see, if I take LCM 3 to the power x, I'll get 1 plus 3 to the power x, and the divided by 3 to the power x part gets cancelled in both numerator and denominator. So I'm left with this, and then I take minus common from here. That means minus x into, I take minus common, that means 3 to the power x minus 1, and below I have 3 to the power x plus 1. So this minus into minus gets plus, and I am left with x into 3 to the power x minus 1 over 3 to the power x plus 1, which is the required form which we needed to show. And you can see that fx is equals to f of minus x. F of minus x is this, and f of x is this one, which you can see that both of them are equal. Therefore, we can write fx equals f of minus x, which shows that fx equals x into 3 to the power x minus 1 over 3 to the power x plus 1 is even.